Classwork 6-6, number 6. The following polynomial has a 0 at -8 plus 9i. Factor the polynomial into two quadratic factors with integer coefficients. Okay, the first step is to identify the quadratic factor that uses -8 plus or minus 9i. So we're going to add 8 to each side, so x plus 8 equals plus or minus 9i. If we square both sides, x plus 8 squared has to equal 9i squared. X plus 8 times x plus 8 is x squared plus 16x plus 64. 9i squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. I squared is -1, so -81. We add 81 to each side, so we have x squared plus 16x plus 145 equals 0. So our first factor is x squared plus 16x plus 145. Now we're going to take that factor and divide it into the x to the fourth plus 8x cubed plus 58x squared minus 504x plus 5,945. Okay, so if we divide, x squared goes into x to the fourth, x squared times, so x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times 16x is 16x cubed. X squared times 145 is 145x squared. Subtracting those terms from the ones above them, we're left with -8x cubed and -87x squared. Then we bring down the -504x. Okay, x squared goes into -8x cubed, -8x times. -8x times x squared is -8x cubed, which will cancel out. -8x times 16x gives us -128x squared. And -8x times 145 gives us -1,160x. Okay, if we subtract those from the ones above them, these cancel out. This leaves us with 41x squared. So we have -87 minus a -128, which is the same thing as saying -87 plus 128, which is 41. 504 minus a -1,160 leaves us with positive 656x. Bring down the 5,945. Okay, x squared goes into 41x squared, positive 41 times. Okay, if we multiply 41 by each term in our divisor, we have 41x squared plus 656x. And 41 times 145 is 5,945. Okay, since these are exactly the same, we know that our remainder is 0. Okay, so this is one quadratic factor. Our divisor, x squared plus 16x plus 145. Our other is x squared minus 8x plus 41. Okay. So our x squared plus 16x plus 145 was one of the factors. We divided it in. Our quotient, x squared minus 8x plus 41, is the other factor.